Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appeal a suspended Gmail account in 2026 using Google's official method. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer or mobile phone. Now go to the search bar and type suspended Google account and press enter. From the search results, open the first official Google support website. Once the page opens, you will see information explaining why a Google account may be suspended. Google lists common reasons such as violating its policies, suspicious activity, spam, or other security-related issues. Scroll down and carefully read the details so you can understand why your account was disabled. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.